Hi everyone. So we're going to be working on a digital prototype today, and in order to do that, we need to learn how to open up the right software and how to set it up. There's a little bit of pre-setup that we need to do, and if you do it correctly, you should have this loaded up, and this is what we're going to be using, which is called Blender. And in order to use Blender, what you're going to need to do is first check to see if your computer already has Blender installed. So you can run a search in your start menu and see if you can find Blender in your start menu. But if you can't find it and it's not installed on the computer, or you're using your own personal computer, I'll show you how to get it downloaded. Basically, all you have to do is go to our website. So you can go to sites.google.com/softwareness.ca/engineering9 and go to the human factors unit. And then in there is a link for downloading the correct version of Blender. So you click that. It's going to open up a zip file. And from here, you have to go over to the top right corner right there and press the download button. Once you do that, it's going to give you a warning about viruses and what have you. Don't worry about that. It is safe. Download anyways. And it's going to take a while to download. While you're downloading that, go back to the human factors unit and also download the pen template. So this is the other file that you're going to need. It will also not really be able to preview on Google Drive, but you should be able to click it and press download. And once you have both of those files downloaded, then you'll be ready for the next step. So I'm going to basically assume at this point, let's just pretend that everything has been finished rather than us actually sitting and waiting for to finish. And you'll have if everything was done correctly, you'll have a zip file here, and you'll also have your pen model somewhere on your computer. What I like to do is I put it into its own folder, so it's not so it's easy to find and it's not all messed up. And then what you're going to need to do is you open up the zip file and you take this and you just double click to open it, but then you have to actually take this and drag it somewhere into your desktop or into a folder, which is called extracting. You have to extract the zip file for it to work properly. So we're doing that right now. And once it's extracted, we'll actually be able to open Blender. So let's try that in a minute here. So there we are. It's extracted. Now you open that, and then in here you have the blender.exe file. You can open that, and that'll give you access to the Blender software. And this is completely free, open source, and free to use, and does not require any licensing, and also does not require installation. It's a zip file, so you can even put it on a USB and carry it around with you. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go up from the File menu, press Open, and then we navigate to the location where the pen folder, where we installed the Blender, and also where the pen model template was downloaded. And there we open and press Open Blender file. And now we have the template ready to go. And the next video, I will show you how to use this to make different design iterations of your pen. So check out the next video when you're ready. Thanks for watching.